Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to find the time it takes programs to load at Windows startup. Are you wondering why your Windows PC takes forever to start up? Many background applications launch automatically when Windows starts. In this video, we will show you different ways to find out how long programs take to load at Windows startup. Stick around till the end to make your Windows PC faster and more efficient. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab at the top. Look for the Startup Impact column to check how much time each program takes to load. If the Startup Impact column is missing, right-click on any column header and select Startup Impact to enable it. Identify programs with high impact as they take the most time to load. To disable a program, right-click on it and select Disable. Using Windows Event Viewer to check boot time. Press Window plus R, type eventvwr.msc, and hit Enter. In the left pane, expand Applications and Services logs. Expand Microsoft, then Windows, and scroll down to find Diagnostics Performance. Click on Operational, then look for Event ID 100 to see the total boot time. Look for Event IDs 101 to 110 to analyze the time taken by individual applications. Double-click on any event to view more details about the loading time of a specific program. By following these methods, you can find out which applications are slowing down your Windows startup. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.